Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, just beautiful early autumn weather, bright, breezy, and dry. Looking at Newport right now, just some fair weather clouds that are mixing in with the sunshine now. Temperatures in the middle 60s, low to mid 60s in most areas. Providence at 64, as well as New Bedford. Taunton's at 65, and a degree or two cooler to our north and west Burrillville at about 61. So, typical, early October weather, cool days and chilly nights, and really a dry stretch ahead. We don't see any significant storms or precipitation through really a better part of the holiday weekend. Hurricane Milton, winds now at 155 miles per hour. We will get a more detailed look at the storm in just a second, but Florida impacts start tomorrow, but specifically Wednesday night and on into Thursday. In the meantime, it's looking okay across New England. Some instability showers in upstate New York should stay to our north and west. We'll get in real close here into the Gulf of Mexico and Florida and take a look at Hurricane Milton. And you can clearly see how the eye has redeveloped. Here's a more detailed satellite photo. The west coast of Florida right in here, Tampa, Fort Myers, and Key West. It's about 520 miles southwest of Tampa right now. And just based on looking at some of the satellite structure and how well developed the eye is, it's more compact and symmetrical. On the next update from the Hurricane Center, which is any minute now, more than likely these winds are going to come up even more, but right now sustained at 155 miles per hour, a high-end Category 4 hurricane, and the pressure is starting to drop once again. So we take a look at the forecast, and we've overlaid the envelope of wind. So the yellow represents tropical storm force winds, the orange hurricane force, and then the red with winds over 100 miles per hour. Category 4 hurricane, this is Wednesday afternoon. The tropical storm force winds are already approaching at that time. Hurricane force conditions arriving later on Wednesday night. The landfall is somewhere near Tampa Bay, crossing the peninsula as a hurricane, re-emerging on the east side of Florida, north of Melbourne and near Daytona Beach as a hurricane on Thursday, and then it continues to pull east and out to sea into the Atlantic. As far as precipitation along the track of the storm, along the path, no surprise here, 8 to 12 inches of rain, perhaps even locally higher amounts. I want to point out that rain does not impact the flood-ravaged areas of the Carolinas from Helene, so that moisture does stay to the south. The surge remains, the forecast remains very significant as far as a potential surge once the storm makes landfall. That push of water along the Florida coastline near the Tampa Bay area could be as high as 10 to 15 feet. We'll keep you updated. All right, tomorrow morning, chilly start at 7 a.m., but otherwise another dry day, 11 o'clock in the morning, 61. Sunshine just kind of mixing with fair weather clouds, a dry day. Looking at temperatures that'll be topping out in the middle 60s. All right, 7-day forecast shows the quiet weather, but cool afternoons and chilly late nights. We're dry through Friday. Notice temperatures moderating on Saturday up to 71. We'll take that. Holiday weekend. Sunday is dry. Chance of a shower Sunday night, but ending on Columbus Day morning with improving weather on Monday afternoon with temperatures cooler in the lower 60s.
All right, Tony, thank you.